Happy New Year. Let's start our day with a cup of coffee, and then we're going to talk about what we have in store for you today. The waiting game. And the funny thing is that this is supposed to be fast, right?
Oh, yes, fast single cup brewing.
And I take a little bit of milks with my...
You take a little bit of coffee with your milk. I'm not ashamed to say it. I have a little bit of coffee with my creamer.
All right. Latte. Cheers. We are so happy that you're here with us today, this beautiful first of the year 2022. And we want to wish all of you the best of times. And if today is your birthday, we want to wish you a happy birthday. So this is about as real-time a video as we've ever made. This is January 1st, 2022, and we are going to post this video today. So we're not going to do a project today, but we're going to talk to you about some of the things we plan to do and some of the things that we have procured that will help us with projects in the future. We were gifted a piece of mahogany that needs a little finishing, right?
Little TLC, it looks like.
Right, and Elpida gifted the channel a handheld planer, which is nice because I don't think this is... Can that go through our planer? Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It'll be tight. Maybe.
But in either case, we have a handheld planer now that I'm sure you're going to see in our projects in the future, because our biggest width that we can handle is 12 inches on the planer. So I don't know if that's 12 inches. I mean, it's going to be close.
Oh, that's not 12 inches.
Okay, isn't?
No, that's more like 16 to 18.
Okay, so it is not. We're going to have to use the...
Yeah.
In any case, so we have a couple of other things we want to show you. We have 3 sheets of plexiglass that they were gifted to us, and that is a few $100. Plexiglass is very expensive. And we have 3 clear and 1 that you cannot see that it is opaque. And we plan to put them in some projects or something. One of the projects we plan to do this next year and we're excited about is this little table that hides a sewing machine. It needs a lot of TLC. It is a Singer. We don't know the vintage, but we plan to restore it to as great condition as we can. And I'm sure this will be more than one episode, right?
Oh, yeah.
I don't think we can do that in one episode, but this is something upcoming. If you're interested in restoration of old pieces, and this piece requires some help, right?
Yep.
But we like how it looks. You know, we like the potential that this piece has. So we decided to tackle it. Yes?
Yep.
Now let's go to our deck and we'll talk to you about our next project. One of the blessings we have here in North Carolina is of nice sunshine weather, right?
Yep.
But one of the less than blessings is hot, humid weather.
Right.
And we love this deck that needs to be clean. Again, the winter does make everything dirty. But one of the things that we like, and it is a project we're going to tackle this year, will be to put a roof over this deck. So when it is sunny and 100 degrees, we can still use it. Probably a roof and a fan or something, right, to circulate air. And we're going to do it. We're going to show you always every step of the way of how we're going to do it. and we feel that is going to add a lot of living space to the house.
Yeah.
So that's one of our big projects, right? Our next big project will be, let's take a walk.
Take for a walk.
Take for a walk. As you can see, we have plenty of space for parking in this area, but also because we're under trees, we are concerned about damage from trees up and things that fall from the trees to the cars. So our next big project for the year will be, are you ready for it? Drumroll, a carport, right?
Right.
Down the road, we might put on this direction here behind Elpida a garage, but we won't do it by ourselves. We're going to show you that, but we're not going to do it by ourselves. But we're going to put a carport here for our cars, and when we have the garage, this will be a nice parking space for our visitors, right?
Right.
The rest of the projects are inside, so a lot of our big projects planned are in this bathroom. We're going to remove this vanity and cabinet, and we're going to replace it with something different. We have something really exciting in stock. We're not sure if we're going to pull it off yet, but if it works the way we planned, it's going to be a very fun project, right? The next big project is in here, and it is this that, if you remember, some time ago, we refinished it with.
Rust-Oleum.
Yeah, but what it is, it was a much older looking. It looked very dated,
Yeah, it was a beige color, and we redid it with this.
and we are very pleased with that, by
Yeah,
the way,
it
right?
has held up very well.
But now it is time to take this all out. And the biggest difficulty, we have this door. No matter what we have done, we cannot make it look decent, right? It is old. It is dingy. It looks 70s, right? So we're going to remove all these. We're going to tile the shower stall. We're going to bring it 2 or 3 inches out, so it will be a little bit bigger, and all tile. We're going to put a clear modern door, glass door here.
And also because this is like an insert, and it takes up, an
It will be
inch and a
bigger,
half,
yeah.
2 inch on either side, and the tile will be closer to the wall. It'll definitely give you some more space.
Right, and that little protuberance there. And we're going to build shelves in the tile on the wall, so it will be very nice, and
So like inset shelves.
Yeah.
Okay.
so it will look 100 times better. As I said, the finishing with Rust-Oleum worked very well. We're very happy with it, and it definitely make an update to the house immediately.
Right.
And the only negative of that, as Elpida will detest, is that it stank.
Oh, it was really bad with the chemical odor.
But other than that,
Yeah.
it worked fine. All right, and the last area we're going to do here will be the floor. This is linoleum, pretend to be tile, right? So we are going to remove that and tile it. And all those are fun projects because they will let you know how to DIY things that otherwise are very expensive,
They have
and they're
somebody else
labor
do.
intensive. That's why they are very expensive. What
Right.
did you say?
To have somebody else do is
Right,
very
to have
expensive.
someone that'll do it. And in general, there's, I will not say straightforward. You have to pay attention to some detail, but we're going to take you through them, right? But they're DIY projects. You can
Right.
do them. So the last project we're going to show you will be changing the front door hardware, and we have this hardware was donated to us.
Okay.
And also we have an extra bedroom. One of our sons moved out, and we have that bedroom, and we're going to transform it into a guest room / backup office. And we're going to show you that. You can see we have a lot of plans for 2022. And one of the things that we are going to have to do, but we're not going to necessarily make an episode, is better organize our shop, right? Right now it's not working as well as we want it because every time we have to move things around and so forth. So we need to do a little more organization. I think we can get it there. We will probably give you a tour when we finish, but I don't think it's an interesting video, right? We'll just tell you what we did and so forth. So we hope you're going to stay with us this upcoming year. We're approaching 9,000 subscribers, which I know that in the scheme of YouTube, with people having 50 million subscribers, it is nothing. But for us and for maker channels in general, this is a pretty healthy number of subscribers. We do appreciate you sticking with us through all these years, and we thank you very much. We want to wish you a very happy new year with success and health. Do stay healthy. Do protect yourself. And Elpida wants me to make a montage so I don't say every time, you know, like, wash your hands, put your masks on, keep your distance from other people, so we can continue to see you every Wednesday and weekends with our videos. Elpida, is there anything you might want to add?
Just everyone have a happy, healthy New Year.
The three of us, which are in essence the Urban Homesteading Channel, myself, Mrs. Wizard, and Elpida, we have not missed a weekend video ever since we started the channel, right? And we have skipped a couple of midweek videos, but I think 2 total all this time. So it's not a great amount. And we have the same commitment for the next year and for years to come. So, Ms. Wizard, you want to say anything to our viewers?
I want to say thank you for sticking with us and for being so interested in the different projects that we bring to you, and for supporting the channel. It's always very welcome, and we wish you a very happy New Year.
And thank you for your comments and the tips you provide and the community we are building. So from all of us at the Urban Homesteading Channel, to all of you, Happy New Year's, and we're looking forward to see you on all our videos this year. Happy 2022.